So in the series of programming questions, this will be the next question, and this is the seventh one. And the question will be: we have to check the number which is given is palindrome or not. So let me write the question. Write a program. Write a program to the given check the given number is palindrome or not. Okay. So number will be given, and we will check whether it is a palindrome or not. So let me tell you what is the palindrome number, or which number will be the palindrome. Okay, so palindrome number is a number uh, when we when we read any number from backward or forward, it will remain same. Or we can say that number after reversing of any integer number, if the reversed number is equal to the given number, then it will be palindrome. Okay, example 232. If we will reverse this number, so from backward 232, if these two numbers are equal, then it will be then this number will be the palindrome. Okay, let me take another example: 5 6 7 8 9. And if we reverse this number 9 8 7 6 5, these two numbers are same or not? These two are not same, so this number is 5 6 7 8 9. This number is not a palindrome. Okay, let me take another example of palindrome: 1 2 3 2 1. This number is palindrome or not? So first we will reverse this number. 1 from backward, take print from the backward: 1 2 3 2 1. 1 2 3 2 1. Oops. 1 2 3 2 1. 2 3 2 1. So from forward, 1 2 3 2 1, and from backward 1 2 3 2 1. So palindrome is a number that after reversing of that number, if it is equal to the given number, then it will be the palindrome. Or we can say that from forward and backward reading, both time the number will be the same, so that number will be the palindrome. Okay, so come to the program. Created main method, and in this main method I will call a method to check is palindrome or not. So method name will be palindrome, and we will create this method. First I have to call, so is palindrome, and I will pass the value n. But what is n? First we have to declare n, integer n is equal to 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, so why it is showing error? It is showing error because the method which is called must have to be created. So we will create the new method. This is one method, main method, and after outside this main method we will create a new method, our which we will call is palindrome. Okay, so inside the class, but outside of this main method we will create a new method. Okay, and static. What will be the return type of this method? The return type of this method is boolean, because we are just checking. So this method should return true or false. If this n is palindrome, this method should return true. If this n is not a palindrome, this method should return false. Okay, so static boolean is palindrome and integer n. Okay, in this method, what we have to do? We have to perform operation. So actually we have to make reverse of this number. We have to make reverse of this number. Okay, when we will reverse this number, after reversing of this number, we will check whether the reversed number is equal to this given n or not. Okay, if this is equal to the given n, reversed number is equal to the given n, then we will say that number is a palindrome number. Okay, so first, for reversing number, we have to create one variable to store the reversed value. Integer reverse is equal to 0. Okay, and we have to compare the reversed value, this reversed value, from the n. Okay, so come to next point. First we will iterate from the last end and add this to the reverse number from last. We will iterate or extract and add it to our number. First we will iterate 1, then we will write 2, then 3, then 2, then 1. So what we will get, like if we reverse the number, so first we will extract 1 from the last, so we will get 1 from last, and second last we will get 2, from third last we will get 3, and then we will get 2, and then we will get 1. Okay, so this is the reversing of the number. So what we have to do, we have to extract from the last one by one digit. Okay, so till when we have to extract, while n greater than 0. In the last program we did the same. So while n greater than 0, integer remainder is equal to n modulus 10. Why we are doing this, I already have told you in the last programs, but to getting the last one digit we have to use modulo operator by 10. Okay, we have to use n modulo 10 to get the last digit from any integer value. Okay, because it will provide you the remainder only. So n modulo 10, and we got this, we got the last digit of any number. So what we have to do, we have to store in this reversed value. Okay, so reverse is 0, so reverse is equal to reverse plus, actually we don't want to add, actually if we extract from the last, and what we will do, if we only add, simply add the number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. If we do like this, it will not give the exact result, because what it will give, it will give 1 plus 2 3 3 6 2 8 1 9. It will return 9. Okay, but we don't need 9. What we need, we need 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. We don't want to add, but just we write the number, we have to write the number, we don't want to add the number. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to move our existing reversed value, we have to move we have to make one extra zero in our reversed value. Like if we have 5 and sorry, actually if we have 5, let me take an example. If we have 5 and we want to add 6, but we don't want to add we don't want to add like this, that otherwise it will make 11. So we don't want to add like this. What, how we want to add, we want to add like this. Okay, 5 6. So what we have to do, we we should make 0 here first, here 0, we should make here 0 5. Actually in starting what we have 5. If we make 0 here and then plus 6, so what we will get, we will get 56, we will get 56. Otherwise if we do directly 5 plus 6, what we will get, we will get 11. But do we want 11? No, we want 56. So what we have to do, if we have 5 only and we want to add 6 in the ones place here, so what we have to do, we have to make 0 here. Okay, and in this 0 if we add 6, so what we will get, we will get 56. So for this, what we did here, actually we want to add 6 in this 5, in that way that we will get 56. So what we did, we make 5 as 50 and then add 6. Okay, so what we will get 56. In the same way, existing reversed value, we want to add 0 in the last of the reversed value, so we will multiply reversed into 10, and in that reversed value we will add the remainder value. So what we will so we will not just add the number, we will concatenate it in the last. Okay, example, as I have 5 and we want to add or concatenate the 6 in the last of 5, okay, in the ones place of 5. So what we will do, we will multiply it into, we will multiply 5 into, multiplied by 10, and then add 6. So what we will get, we will get 56. In the same way, we have to add all the digits. Okay, come to the point. We have extracted 1 and add it into our reversed value, and then what we have to do, we have to delete the 1. N is equal to n by 10. Okay, n is equal to n by 10. This will give you the quotient only. So for for deleting the last digit of any number, we can use n divided by 10. Okay, so and then after coming out of the loop, and before coming out of this method, we have to make a return statement. Okay, so we will return, or actually we will compare only. We will compare if n, sorry, if reverse value is equal to n. But in the last program, I already told you that we can't compare by n, because we already have modified or changed the n value. So what we have to do, first store we need to store our our n value in any variable. So we will modify the n value, but we will not modify the value that is stored in the temp variable. Okay, so if reverse is equal to temp, means, if reverse is equal to temp, it means the number is palindrome. So true, else else return false. Okay, we can we can minimize the sentence. These 4 sentences we can write like this. Actually, we can write this all sentence like this. Let me show you. We can, it will work like this: return reverse is equal to temp only. Okay, instead of this 4 sentence, we can write in 1 sentence only. What it means, return true. It will return if reverse is equal to temp. If the reverse number is equal to the given n number, which we have stored in the temp variable, if these two are equal, then it will return means return true only. If this condition is true, it will return true. If this is not true, then it will return false. Means return the statement. It will give you the true or false. If this is giving true, then return true. If this is giving false, return false. Okay, so let me run the program. No, and now we do not need to run the program, because here I have called the method is palindrome, and this method is giving you the, what it is giving, it is giving the boolean value. Like this is palindrome method is checking the n, whether it is palindrome or not. So let this number is palindrome, so this method is returning yes, true. Okay, so if this method is returning true, so we can take this as if condition. Okay, so if if this condition is true, if this condition is true, we will print the number is yes, the number is palindrome. Okay, else what we will return, else 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 the number is not palindrome. Let me run the program. So let me run. Program is running, just wait. Yes, number is palindrome, because we have taken 1 2 3 2 1. Let me take 6 in the middle of number. Now we have to check whether number is palindrome or not. No, the number is not palindrome. Okay, so this is the program just to check whether the number is palindrome or not. First, we are doing the only one thing, that we are reversing the number and we are comparing it from the original number. If it is equal, then it is palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. Okay, thank you guys.